How to fix WhatsApp business broadcast problem. Now, the most common reason a broadcast fails to deliver is that the recipient does not have your business phone number saved on their phone or device that they are using. So the fix is just send a polite message or follow up or tell them that by email or just calling them to save your contact number on their device. And also, if you send too many promotional or automated or unsolicited images in a short period, WhatsApp anti-spam algorithm may temporarily restrict your ability to send business broadcasts. Also, sometimes corrupted temporary files or an outdated app version can cause broadcast glitches or prevent images from sending. So what you can simply do is tap on the app for some time and tap on the app info icon right over here and scroll down to the storage section. Here you'll find cache option right here, and to clear it, simply tap on clear cache right over here. And if you want to clear data, then simply tap on clear data over here, and you'll be logged into your app where you can simply tap on clear data and your data also will be deleted. And try relogging. After that, try updating the app. Now go to the Play Store and head over to the search bar and type in WhatsApp business. Now tap in the app and see if any update is available. If there is an update, there will be an update icon instead of open right over here. So make sure to tap on that, and after that you're good to go. Simply tap on the open and open your app and your problems will be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.